Discover Jigsaw's Empire, the revolutionary method that reveals how to create printable puzzles that sell on eBay and etc. When we discovered this trend, we couldn't believe our eyes. It's something incredibly creative, full of magic, and considering that you can create a complete puzzle in minutes, it's crazy. Puzzles are as old as time because the first one was created in London in 1760, which means that the oldest puzzle is 260 years old. Kings and queens played with the first puzzles, and they have grown over time to become one of people's favorite pastimes. When we discovered that it was possible to create easy puzzles, and that you can resell them as PDFs, alone or as a collection, we wanted to know more, and we dug into this niche to discover a lot of incredible information for you. So, if you like printable ones, or if you want to create or expand a store you already have on etc or eBay, this series of videos is for you, and it's full of interesting concepts that you can apply immediately. Jigsaws are a wonderful hobby for people and entire families. Your puzzles are the ones they will be looking for. Printable jigsaw puzzles have many advantages over traditional puzzles. You can play them wherever you are. They do not take up space in your home. If parts are damaged, you print new ones. You can have hundreds of puzzles to play with. They relieve stress immediately. They improve short-term memory. They are perfect for playing alone or with children. That's why printable puzzles are the present and the future of the industry. Inside the Jigsaw Empire, you will discover how to create new puzzles in less than 2 minutes, with free software. The 9 perfect niches for a good puzzle. How to make digital jigsaw puzzles for children and adults. How to create puzzles for experts. How to create a special puzzle, in one of the most popular genres. How to create a printed and shipped physical puzzle. Where to find many beautiful and ready-to-use images. How to sell your puzzles like a pro, with automatic file delivery. And much more. Introducing Jigsaw Empire. Creating printable puzzles is one of the easiest methods we've ever seen for making sales. Once you learn this method, it's yours forever. People actively search for and buy puzzles. You can be in the right place at the right time. With only 3 steps to repeat to earn passive income. Convert images into puzzles. Save them in PDF format. Sell them on etc, and make sales. This is a business you can run with open source software, and the steps you need to take are quick and simple like you've never seen before. We put a lot of effort into the creation of this course, giving you a complete video course, plus a bonus that you can start reselling on etc, because we give you a complete PLR for dragon drawings. In fact, there are thousands and thousands of customers who are looking for new puzzles to print and play with, alone or with their children. Be ready to be found on etc and eBay with your own high-quality drawings. We show you all the steps to be ready in a few minutes. We really liked this activity as soon as we stumbled upon it, so we've been looking for the information you need to become a master in this niche. There's room for everyone, because this business is not only sustainable, but it also gives you a lot of choice when you create new puzzles.